Let's know about law of proximity.
Let's look at how we group them. Like, based on what we see, we can immediately think that these two people are a group, these two people are a group, and these two people are a group. And maybe this person can be along with them because of the age we can see here. If we kind of forget about this part for now, we are kind of able to find out who are grouped and who are not. And can you guess why? It's because of the space which is between each of them. Like when there is very little space between two things or two people, we are intent to group them together. And when there is more space between two objects, products, or people, we intend to separate them. So, this is the law of proximity, grouping them based on the space that we see or the space between each things.
Let's see how it's used from this example. Space between these two, like the ones which are followed by another, is very less as compared to the space which is between these categories. So the increase in space between one to another shows kind of divides that particular thing and kind of groups them into different ones. Here, the space between each thing, this all of these four, is almost equal, but the space between this and the price is a bit more as compared to these ones. So this kind of divides and makes it more clearer of this group which is related to pricing and this group which is related to the details of the product. And I've used the same property in this poster which I've made for Arohi meetup. I've grouped each things by giving them enough space between one another and how also keeping few things together like much more closer so that just to give a good clarity to the viewer.